Introducing the Eroute FOLD 2 Pro electric folding mobility scooter, the perfect companion for your mobility. Designed with convenience and comfort in mind, the FOLD 2 Pro lithium-ion mobility scooter offers a compact and lightweight solution for those looking for a compact gadget. Thanks to its small size, the FOLD 2 Pro mobility scooter is incredibly easy to fold into the boot of your car or take with you in the lift. Its compact design will also ensure a hassle-free placement in a small apartment, saving you valuable space. But don't let its size fool you. This mobility scooter is packed with features that enhance your comfort and riding experience. The FOLD 2 Pro is now equipped with quality suspension front and rear for a smoother ride, even on uneven terrain. With the added convenience of directional lights and an LCD display, you'll have all the information you need at your fingertips. Plus, the upgraded seat and armrests ensure maximum comfort and prevent any discomfort or strain on your back. Ideal for city dwellers who prefer their own means of transportation over public transportation. The FOLD 2 Pro offers a range of up to 20 miles on a single charge and can carry a maximum load capacity of 270 pounds. Maintenance of the FOLD 2 Pro mobility scooter is hassle-free and requires minimal upkeep. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to handle, while the powerful motor ensures safe and stable operation. When you choose the FOLD 2 Pro, you get exceptional service. We deliver your mobility scooter fully assembled and ready to ride, and our dedicated team offers warranty and out-of-warranty service and regular inspections at our service center. You can even choose from a variety of color options to suit your style. The lightweight electric mobility scooter comes with essential accessories including a front basket, front light, information panel, comfortable seat backrests, charger, and battery. These accessories enhance your comfort and ensure a hassle-free riding experience. Compact, stable, comfortable, safe, and powerful, that's the Eroute FOLD 2 Pro lithium-ion electric folding mobility scooter. Charge it in 4 to 6 hours and you're ready for your next adventure. Our support team will help you with any questions you may have and work with you to ensure you are completely satisfied. Visit eroutemobility.com or call our customer service team.